Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 ways to make money with a website. So if you're ready to make some passive income where you can work from anywhere, stay tuned and I'll see you on the inside. Hey everybody, I'm Susie with Teaching Tech Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to monetize a website, okay? We're going to go over the top 5 proven ways that people are actually making some passive income using their websites. So if you're ready, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. All right, because in the end, I'm going to have a special offer for you. So let's dive right in. All right, the first way I want to talk to you about is affiliate marketing. All right, now what is affiliate marketing? Well, it's referring goods and services that you love and use to your friends. And in turn, if they buy from the company will give you a little bit of commission, okay? So think about this. We've been doing this for our whole lives. We recommend plumbers and painters and hairdressers to our friends and family, okay? Affiliate marketing is the ability to get paid for referring this. All right, now let's do an example. Suppose you are an avid dog lover. You love to train dogs. You love to, all things, anything about dogs you are passionate about. Well, you might have set up a website where it's a review site where you're reviewing the various training harnesses or the various puppy foods, or you're reviewing the best crates for large breed dogs and small breed dogs, all of that stuff. Now you're going to create this site and you're going to pepper it strategically with affiliate links to things like Petco, okay? So you may be talking about 2 different dog beds that are good for older dogs with maybe some joint issues, okay? Both of those dog beds, your readers will be able to purchase from, let's say, Petco, okay? In turn, if they do click on the link and they do buy that, Petco will give you a small commission, all right? Now, this can be done in any industry. So if you are interested in, say, arts and crafts, you just Google any topic that you're interested in. So you might say arts and crafts affiliate programs, okay? You're going to get a list of companies that have affiliate programs, okay? That they want to partner with you, okay? Now, most reputable companies, they're going to want to make sure that your site is reputable. They don't want spammers. They don't want anything like that. So most people will ask you for your website, so you're going to need one up and running before you actually reach out to them. But let's say, for instance, that you are on your favorite website. Scroll down to the bottom, and in the footer where they have maybe company links and about us and all that stuff, I bet there's a link that says affiliate program or partnership program. Click on that, and that's their affiliate program, okay? It's so awesome. So, but again, I'm going to tell you this. Golden rule is be transparent. When you are speaking to your audience, let's say I am an arts and crafts person, and I'm doing all kinds of craft tutorials, and I happen to be an affiliate for Michael's, okay? Michael's is like a big craft store, similar to Hobby Lobby, okay? So I am doing these tutorials on various holiday crafts, okay? And I'm going to have all of the what do we call it? The things that are needed for that project, the craft for the craft project. They're all going to be links to Michael's, okay? Michael's craft store, right? But I'm going to let my readers know, hey, many of these are affiliate links. They are at no cost to you. It's no cost to you to purchase these anyhow. But just let them know in return, the company will give you a couple of dollars, okay? Be honest. Don't be spammy, and I know you won't. But don't be spammy, and be affiliate for products that you love, you use, you trust. Don't go out there and just spam all over and throw your affiliate links all over the internet and Facebook groups and things like that, because that's not going to work. It's going to backfire on you. Okay, and the companies don't want you doing that anyhow. All right, so love affiliate marketing, okay? You can do it in any niche. I'm telling you, go Google it. Go Google rock climbing affiliate marketing programs, okay? Guarantee you're going to find one. Now, some of the bigger companies like Hobby Lobby and larger ones, they don't want to have to deal with the affiliates in-house. So what they do is they will go to a third party, which is called an affiliate network. that will handle all of the applications for affiliates and payout for affiliates, okay? Two of the biggest one is are CJ.com, which used to be called Commission Junction, and the second one is shareasale.com. I think Rakuten is also up there as well. So go look through those, see if any of their companies, and these are going to be the much broader ones like Nike and some of the larger brand name ones like Hobby Lobby. I think Bed Bath & Beyond is in one of those networks. So yeah, scroll through some of those networks and see who they represent for their affiliate companies. It might be one of your favorite brands, okay? So that is affiliate marketing, okay? The second on the list on how to make money with a website is membership sites. I love membership sites. It's so awesome. And why I love them is because once you have a subscriber, you can kind of count on that income, okay? Until they decide to unsubscribe, all right? So I digress. What's a membership site? A membership site is what you pay subscription to access content, all right? So suppose you are health and fitness is your niche, okay? You could have a membership site where you're providing daily exercise tips, articles on how to navigate eating through the holidays if it's the holiday season. You can have recipes, all kinds of goodness. The key is that you love to create content, okay? And that you're going to create new content each month. Because if I'm a subscriber to the site and your September content is really kind of the same as your August content, I might let it slide once, but I'm probably not going to continue my subscription, okay? So it's really important. Like I said, it's kind of like pros and cons of membership site is once you get a subscriber, that's awesome because you can kind of count on that income for the next several months, hopefully for a while, okay? Unlike just selling a one product at a time, and you're like, oh my God, I need new customers this month and all that stuff. You kind of have that nice cushion. It's kind of a nice breather, okay? But if you're not producing fresh content every month, your unsubscribe rate is going to go through the roof. So just make sure you're honest with yourself. Can I produce enough fresh content each month that my viewers are going to want to continue to pay for? Okay, I love it if it works. WordPress is a great plugin called MemberPress. It integrates really well, handling subscriptions and things like that. If you have a WordPress site, highly recommend that one. Okay, so love membership sites for that reason. All right. Number 3 way to make a passive income online using a website is online courses. I love online courses. What I love about them is the bulk of the work is done ahead of time. Now, obviously, you're going to maintain the site, maintain the course to make sure that it is up to date. And of course, you're going to want to be available for your students to answer any questions, okay? But aside from that, the work is done ahead of time. So you can put it up for sale and you create it once and you can sell it an unlimited amount of times. Now, I'm not saying that you have to go out and create a 5-6 hour course with, 21 videos and this massive amount of content. No, you can start with a small micro course that's a couple hours long. The idea and the goal is that you're taking your student from point A to point Z, where they want to be, okay? So you've transformed. You said, oh, let's solve this problem by taking you through these steps, all right? Now, there are plenty of people out there online that will show you how to create a course. What I want to show you tell you is about creating your own course portal, okay? And again, using WordPress, there's a great plugin called LearnDash. Those of you that are familiar with my LearnDash course, you know what I'm talking about. I absolutely love it. And why do I love it? It's because you get to keep the proceeds. All right, so there are a lot of online course portals that you can upload your content to, but you're going to be charged a monthly fee, and they take a portion of your sales. Okay, not all of them, but a good portion of them. When you build your own course portal using WordPress and LearnDash, there's no limit to the number of courses you can sell. You can have your own little university. All right. And you get to keep it all, other than whatever your credit card takes for the transaction. You get to there's no monthly subscription for that. Nobody's taking a portion of each sale. It's amazing, all right? And now you're probably saying to yourself, I don't have anything to teach anyone. And I'm here to say to you that's a bunch of baloney. Everybody has something they can share, all right? Think of it this way. What do your friends and family go to you for advice, all right? For me, everybody goes to me to ask for tech advice. They're not coming and asking me for my chicken recipes, that's for sure, because that's not what I'm good at, all right? What are you good at? What can you stand up on a stage or talk to in a living room with a bunch of friends for half an hour and not get bored and just have all this content in your head? Cooking, a million topics, pottery, accounting for small businesses, how to open up a hair salon, how to play the flute, you name it. Go to places like Udemy and Skillshare.com. See the kind of courses that are out there. Trust me, there are so many different courses out there, and there's always an audience for what you have to teach, okay? Just make sure that you're really specific and taking your audience from point A, solving their problems, to point Z, where they have the solution, okay? That's awesome. I love online courses. And now the fourth way to make money using a website is e-commerce, all right? Now, most of us have purchased something online, all right? And I'm not talking about being in Amazon where you're selling everything to everybody, all right? Suppose again, I'm going to talk about jewelry. Suppose you're a jewelry designer, or you are a t-shirt artist, or you are an author of a book, or you're a photographer. I'm talking selling both physical and digital products, okay? Obviously, with the digital ones, you don't have to deal with inventory and things like that. You can use a plugin called Easy Digital Download, which works seamlessly for selling your digital products. If you're a graphic artist and you want to put your designs on things like coffee mugs and pillows and notepads and things like that, you can connect your e-commerce sites to companies that are print on demand, such as Printify and Printful, I believe their names. So they'll handle the actual production and put your logo or your design, whatever it is, on that item and then ship it out to the customer. I mean, that's so awesome. Now, suppose you don't have a product. Well, go become a wholesaler, all right? Maybe there is somebody that creates candles or does amazing baby products or whatever it is. See if you can wholesale their goods, okay? And then obviously you're going to do a markup and do all your appropriate taxes and things like that. But create an e-commerce site where you can make money, all right? And again, I'm going to go back to good old WordPress because I love WordPress. WooCommerce, the #1 plugin to do this, all right? It handles your shopping cart, your inventory. It'll help you set up your taxes, your shipping. It's unbelievable, and it's free to use, all right? So once you set this all up, there's no limit to what you can sell. That is the beauty of e-commerce. And the fifth and final way to make money with a website is an oldie but a goodie, blogging. Yes, blogging is still relevant. And the idea behind this is you want to drive as many visitors to your site because you're going to put on Google AdSense on your site. All right? So the more traffic you can get to your site, the better your ad revenue will be. Now, it's free to use. You just have to go to Google, sign up for an AdSense account. They'll give you a couple of lines of code, put it on your blog, and then it'll start running ads. Now, they're going to have relevant ads to your content and to your visitors. In addition to that, you're also going to use technique #1, which is putting in affiliate marketing links. And before I get too much into this, what I don't want you to do is go in and be a food blogger, all right? Why? Because you're not going to get the traffic that you need to really make that passive income from Google AdSense. Because there are so many food bloggers out there that the competition is super, super stiff. Now, let's do this. Suppose you want to be a blogger for families with kids who are lactose intolerant. And you're going to come up with lactose intolerant recipes, maybe some tips and tricks on how to travel, going out to restaurants with a lactose intolerant person, what to do if there's a flare-up of, irritable stomach or things like that. All that, now you've really honed it down, okay? You've really honed it down into a small niche, because if you're blogging to everybody, then you're blogging to no one. So you want to really hone your niche and who you're blogging to, and then you can start driving the traffic there. I happen to be a web developer. I've been doing this, developing websites many years. I won't say how long, but trust me, it's a very, very long time ago, back in the day, but way before WordPress and things like that. So I don't try to be a website developer to everybody out there. I really enjoy being a web developer to female entrepreneurs, okay? I love teaching WordPress to female entrepreneurs to empower them to build their own sites, okay, with, my tech support and things like that. So I'm not out there doing everybody's website. I've really created a niche and sort of a following within my circle, okay, and that works for me, all right? So blogging, my friends, is not dead. All right, so now let's go over, just to recap, the top 5 ways to monetize a website is affiliate marketing, membership sites, online courses, e-commerce, and yes, blogging with advertising. All right? So I hope you found this useful, and if you did, hit the subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about WordPress, go to my website, teachingtech.com, where I have a free WordPress course. And if you're watching this video in September of 2020, I am offering a free 5-day WordPress workshop starting September 21st, and I'll pop the link to the registration below. All right? I will see you soon.